Hey everyone, so I wasn't able to record a proper intro while I was out in New York for this flight. But basically I went to breakfast with my friends in East Hampton, and then I picked up my buddy Jake and was going to fly him back to DC. It was a really nice day out, so we decided to go VFR directly from East Hampton to Manassas. That would give us the straightest route and the fastest flight back. To do so though, we had to do three things. So I'll throw the map up right now. A, we had to avoid the FRZ, the freeze in Washington, D.C., so we diverted a little bit further south to do that. B, we had to fly over the Philadelphia class Bravo, which is 8,000 feet. We did that by going up to 10,500 VFR altitude, flying west. And C, we had to avoid the New York City airspace, which is also 10,500, or 8,000, so at 10,500 we were doing just fine. The bonus to all of this is that at 10,500 we were actually able to stay in a little bit cooler weather, which made the flight really pleasant. With that, let's hop into plane.
Hey, hi Jake, you're on Canada camera.
That's the one on the end of the third line.
Alrighty. East Hampton ground, Cirrus 222 Yankee Yankee.
Cirrus 222 Yankee Yankee Hampton ground.
222 Yankee Yankees at Sound Air in the main ramp. We need to depart VFR to the west.
Roger, for VFR departure, just contact tower for taxi, sir.
Over to tower, thanks.
In that case, straight ahead on Echo and hold short of runway 28, and you'll be ready upon reaching?
Yes, sir. Straight ahead, we'll hold short at 28, 793 Alpha Pop, thank you.
Roger.
34 Quebec is 6 miles to the west inbound.
Remember, 34 Quebec, roger, report to left midfield downwind, runway 28.
34 Quebec.
East Hampton Tower, Cirrus 222 Yankee Yankee. We're at Sound Air main ramp. We'd like a westbound departure.
And that's Cirrus 2 Yankee Yankee?
222 Yankee Yankee.
2 Yankee Yankee, roger, and you're at Sound, follow the Global Express and just hold short of taxiway Delta. He's going to be back taxiing.
We'll follow the Global and hold short of Delta, 2 Yankee Yankee.
Global Express 3 Alpha Papa, you can make the left turn on two-way back taxi, and I'll have a departure clearance here for you momentarily.
Okay, thank you, sir. Left turn on the runway, we'll back taxi and hold short 793 Alpha Pop.
Feel that? Yeah. That's his jet.
2 Yankee Yankee, you can make the left turn on Delta and hold short of runway 28.
Left on Delta, and we'll hold short of 28, 2 Yankee Yankee. 2 Yankee Yankee, we're ready to go 28.
And high right down
2 Yankee Yankee, what's direction of flight?
2 Yankee Yankee, we're going west.
Yankee Yankee, caution wake turbines departing Global Express, no delay, runway 28 cleared for takeoff.
No delay, runway 28 cleared for takeoff, 2 Yankee Yankee.
Global Express 3 Alpha Papa, contact departure, you have a good flight.
Alpha Pop, thanks for your help, sir. See you later.
Marquetti is clear to the east.
Marquetti 2 Alpha Mike, free exchange approved.
This is going to be a little bumpy on takeoff just because of what he did.
Yeah, no worries.
Jet 583, roger, I'll call you base leg, you're number 2.
Ready to go?
Yep. I'm ready to run. Do it.
Jet 583, base your discretion now, number 2, following traffic, turn in a short final, no factor, runway 28 cleared to land.
Alright, base our discretion, traffic in sight, clear to land 28, flex jet 583.
This is him.
Yep. Nice acceleration.
Delta traffic just off your left.
What's that?
It's a nice acceleration.
It's really not bad at all. If this was a turbo, it'd be even better.
Yeah.
Well, plus there's only 2 of us in here.
Yeah, that's true too.
Tower Baron 2043 Alpha turning midfield. Right downwind for 28 and have the traffic jet on downwind.
Baron 43 Alpha, number 2 behind that jet, runway 28 cleared to land.
The banner.
Clear to land 28, Baron 2043 Alpha.
Number 34 Quebec, right turn on 4, cross 16, taxiing the ramp with me.
34 Quebec.
So we're going to go up to 10,500 because it's a lot cooler up there.
Sounds good.
We just let it do its thing.
Good stuff.
So basically we just want to look out for other traffic. So this bro is 1,300 feet ahead of us, somewhere right over there.
528, any right turn followed by right turn and Alpha with me.
Alright, right and right with you, flex at 5.
Flexjet 528, it'll be a left turn on 4.
Awesome day.
Right turn on
Yeah, it's
16,
gorgeous.
And a left turn Foxtrot into the ramp with me.
We're going to be pretty far off the coast when we go by New York, but you'll still be able to see all of it.
Yeah. A lot of golf courses.
And that's Shinnecock right here.
Is it? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Chancellor November 83 Delta is ready to taxi VFR to Lake Placid, northbound.
Number 83 Delta, runway 28, taxi via Echo Delta, altimeter 3035.
And so that's West Hampton Airport, Gabreski.
Okay.
And Robin Lara's house
You can make the right turn there on
is directly ahead of us.
Yeah.
Right by the beach.
Okay, right on Alpha. I'm with you to the ramp, 43 Alpha.
Tower banner shows 71 Delta clear west.
Number 71 Delta, roger, for exchange approved. You have a good one.
71 Delta, you too.
New York approach, Cirrus 222 Yankee 5,500, just south of Gabreski.
Go ahead.
2 Yankee, we'd like flight following to Manassas Airport, Kilo Hotel, Echo Foxtrot if possible.
Well, 4361 and ident. You're a Cirrus, you said?
4631 and identing, and yes, we are Cirrus SR22 slant Golf.
4361. 4361.
4361.
Radar contact 2 Yankee, altimeter 3034, and what altitude you going to, 65 you said?
2 Yankee, we're going to 10-5.
10-5, roger.
Potomac approach, Cirrus 222 Yankee, 10,500.
Cirrus 222 Yankee, Potomac, National altimeter 3032.
3032, and we can start our descent whenever it's convenient for you, 2 Yankee.
Number 2 Yankee, thank you. Descend and maintain 7,500 for now.
Down to 75, 2 Yankee. So, basically we're going to go, there's a little airport directly ahead of us.
Yeah.
And we'll make a right turn over the river to, Woodbridge, which is right over there.
Yeah.
And then go into Manassas, which you can kind of see, but not really. You can see Dulles pretty easily.
Yeah, actually. What's this near airport?
This is Andrews.
Oh, this is Andrews, okay.
And you can see Reagan right over there.
Yep.
November 2 Yankee, I'm in the altitude. Actually, disregard that. You can go down to 75, that's fine.
2 Yankee, still going to 75.
Regard 4597, turn right heading 280.
Regard 4597.
So I'm just letting it do everything on its own. Easier. Whenever it's bad weather, I go out, not like bad, but like cloudy and rainy, I go out and fly instrument approaches, but do them all manually.
Yeah.
So like handling the radios and the nav and all that stuff.
Yeah. Contact Potomac approach on 125.65.
12565 to Yankee, see ya.
Yeah.
Okay. 2 Yankee, 9500 for 7500. Potomac approach.
Potomac approach, okay. Yeah.
13 cross Raven at
Oh.
6000.
Hold on. I just checking.
Right, go ahead.
Yeah.
Potomac approach 22 Yankee Yankee 9500 descending for 7500.
Bar 15 heading 250 to center maintain 3000.
250.
Step on him.
Yeah.
You're 4664, contact Washington Center 134.5. How's that going?
34.5, we do the same, Brickyard 4664.
Pierce 222 Yankee Yankee, Potomac approach, Washington altimeter 3032. How are you descending right now?
2 Yankee Yankee, we're going to 7500 right now.
Pierce 2 Yankee Yankee, roger. Descend maintain 5,500 for traffic.
Down to 55 for traffic, 2 Yankee Yankee.
March Southwest 4363, 11 and a half, climbing via the Conley.
That was 4363, Potomac maintain 300 knots or greater.
300 or greater, South.
So the Cessna 182 that I was going to fly has a newer Garmin cockpit, so all of this stuff is incorporated into here, including the autopilot.
Yeah.
So you don't have to do anything down here, it's just all there.
12 for 15,000.
Here I have to do stuff here and then tell the autopilot to follow what I put in there.
Right, right.
Here's 2 Yankee Yankee, contact Potomac again now on 119.85 and fly heading 250.
Heading 250, 119er85 to Yankee Yankee. Potomac 2 Yankee Yankee is back with you, 6800 for 5500, heading 250.
2 Yankee Yankee, welcome back. American 1815, descend and maintain 2,500, advise the river.
2,500, river inside American 1815.
American 1815, cleared to Mount Vernon visual, runway 1 approach.
Cleared Mount Vernon visual, runway 1, American 1815.
There's that plane, you can see them coming up the river.
What's that? Oh, yeah.
American 2129, descend and maintain 6,000, stepping down underneath, or above some traffic.
Roger that, descent 6, American 2129.
And American 2129, correction, the traffic's no factor, descend and maintain 2,500.
Okay, copy that. We're cleared to descend now 2,500, American 2129.
November 2 Yankee Yankee, proceed on course to Manassas.
2 Yankee Yankee on course to Manassas, and I have the field in sight.
2 Yankee Yankee, roger. I'm going to keep you with me for possible traffic.
2 Yankee Yankee, sounds good.
Potomac approach, Southwest 5700, 11-7, descending on the Freedom 4 down to 6,000.
And 2 Yankee Yankee, we have Manassas in sight.
Yankee Yankee, roger. Keep the coach here on the ground. Contact Manassas Tower 133.1. Have a good one.
Over to tower 1331, see ya, thanks, see ya.
Columbia 904 Yankee, hear me following a Bonanza on a 4-mile final.
904 Yankee. Manassas Tower, Cirrus 222 Yankee Yankee is inbound about 8 miles to the southwest, or southeast.
Number 019er, contact ground.
Hey, going to ground, 019.
Tower Meridian 831, Charlie Yankee, ready for takeoff, 16 left.
3831 Charlie Yankee, Manassas Tower, hold short, runway 16 left, working on your release.
16 left, 1 Charlie Yankee.
Number 222 Yankee Yankee, Manassas Tower, information Mike Current, enter the left downwind, runway 16 left, report midfield.
2 Yankee Yankee, we have Mike and we'll enter a left downwind runway 16 left.
94 Yankees, a 2-mile final, 16 left.
Number 904 Yankee, traffic departs prior to arrival is on the roll now, runway 16 left, cleared to land.
Cleared to land.
Traffic.
I know.
2 Yankee Yankee, traffic you're following to Columbia at your 11 at 10 o'clock, 1 mile, opposite direction, 1,000 feet.
2 Yankee Yankee, I've got my traffic in sight.
2 Yankee Yankee, follow that traffic, report 3-mile final.
2 Yankee Yankee will report a 3-mile final behind the Columbia.
Number 4 Victor Alpha, are you able to make a short approach?
Cherokee 4 Victor Alpha, yeah, we can do that.
2 Yankee Yankees on a 3 mile final.
Number 2 Yankee Yankee, runway 16 left, clear to land, 9er at 5.
Clear to land, 16 left, 2 Yankee Yankee.
Number 00 Sierra traffic, following you is a Piper 1 mile south of your position. He'll be following you.
00 Sierra.
Number 4 Victor Alpha, you have that traffic in sight yet?
Cherry 4 Victor Alpha, affirmative, sir. He's crossing my 2 to 3 o'clock now.
Number 4 Victor Alpha, number 2 behind the Skyhawk, runway 16 right, clear to land.
Cherokee 4 Victor Alpha, clear to land 16 right, number 2 behind the Skyhawk.
Number 1 Charlie Yankee, contact North Departure.
Charlie Yankee, switching.
94 Yankees, clear 16 left.
Number 94 Yankee, runway 16 left, taxi via Bravo.
Taxi via Bravo, 16 left, 94 Yankee.
Manassas Tower, King Air 90 Charlie X-ray on the visual for 16 left.
Number 90 Charlie X-ray, Manassas Tower, enter the left base, runway 16 left. Number 2, clear to land, traffic serious on a half mile final, no factor.
All right, Charlie X-ray, we're actually on extended left downwind for 16 left at this time.
Number 0 Charlie X-ray, maneuver at your discretion. Clear to land, runway 16 left, traffic no factor.
Clear land 16 left, Charlie X-ray.
A little rougher than I would have liked.
Oh, good. All good.
Traffic.
Number 2 Yankee Yankee, turn left at Bravo 2, contact ground.
Left at Bravo 2 and over to ground, 2 Yankee Yankee.
Thanks again for coming along. Let me know in the comments below how you like this flight and what I can do to improve the production quality and storytelling in these videos. I really like doing them, and your comments make the entire process a lot easier for me. If you haven't subscribed, please do so by clicking right here. Go to my Instagram right here. This is a good place to follow me on live stories whenever I'm doing these flights. For more videos here, and remember, if you like this video, please hit the like button down below. That really helps with getting it out to more people. Thanks again for coming along. See you next time.